So good morning, a bit of an update for you of what's been going on here at the Hero Motor Company, and I have to tell you it's been a little bit brutal in the workshop. The heat over this summer, it's been tough, but they've been cracking on. Lots of projects. We've had a terrific amount of new sales cars coming in, sales cars leaving us, and a lot of workshop activity as well, service work. But actually at the moment we've got a huge amount of larger projects on the go here at Hero Motor Company. So this lovely, you'll have seen this on the sales site, this lovely low mileage S54 silver Z3M coupe, that's sold, but it's been going through all its usual future proofing. So all the splash shields off, under trays, sill covers off, exposing any minute areas of surface corrosion that you'd expect to see on any 25-year-old car, however good it is. And that's been prepared to the very, very highest standard to hand over to the new owner to be part of his increasing collection. We look forward to meeting him at our open day, actually. He's collecting that from our open day. Some exciting news with our Mini Cooper S here, which is going to be one of the cars featured at the Goodwood Revival. And I think my son, we will be doing VIP laps of the circuit between each race at the Goodwood Revival in our, lovely little Mark 1 Cooper S. So looking forward to that, excitement at Goodwood. The 2002 here that Steve is busy with on the ramp, some of you would have seen that before in the past. I think I've sold it twice before. What's the mileage now, Steve? It's ridiculous, isn't it? 22,000 mile 2002. Completely original, unwelded. That's back with us for sale. The car, I think I've sold it. Yeah, I think I've sold it 2 or 3 times. I can't quite remember. But the current owner's had it 10 years, and that's now in for sales inspection prep, and we'll be looking for a new home for this rather special little car. Keep an eye on the website because there's a great story behind that car and an amazing little book going back to 1959 with the first owners, every single car. I think it was a Wolseley Hornet, a Rover 100, and then the 2002 back to 1959. Rather fun. Final preparation. Steve again has been part of this Sport Evolution that's had an absolute nut and bolt full restoration, starting with underside and bare metal respray. There is not a single component on this Sport Evolution M3 that has not been replaced. And actually, the job was made slightly easier by the previous owner, who about 15 years ago spent hours in his local BMW dealer buying every single new part that he could get. Parts availability for E30s is becoming increasingly difficult. This project was made a lot easier due to it being delivered with multiple boxes from engine components, cosmetic components, gearbox, everything is rebuilt on it. Gearbox, engine, diff, interior, everything. So that is in very, very final sales prep for handover to the lucky new owner over the next couple of weeks. Steve, this seems to all be about you this week. It's like we've got no one else working here. Well, another one of Steve's bigger projects, RS4 in for engine removal. Feel very sorry for the customer because he's only had it a year and it's got a cracked, snapped valve spring. So that's engine out, cylinder heads off, inspection, the normal RS4 decoke that so many of you would have read so much about. But as you can see, that's quite a big job. I think some of you have already seen the work that's been taking place on BMW GB's Rivaglia E30 M3. Lots of fabrication on that. We're looking at handing that back in October. So, but the exciting, what else can I tell you? Yeah, the exciting news. Come never knows. Lots of you have seen that before. That very rare 3-litre SI Estate E3. That's actually being prepped. It's been in storage with us, being prepped by the workshop, ready to hand over to the owner. So, lots of you would have seen us in there before. But welcome to the new Hero Motor Company HQ. We've had this building for, I think, about 10 years, but it's been rented out, and Jack and I decided it was time to, well, actually, it was time for Callum, our cameraman here, to actually have a proper office where he could get some peace and quiet, Teresa to run the administration, and a bit of a bigger reception area, so come and have a nose. It's got a lovely atmosphere in here, we're really pleased with it, and Jack and I rebuilt the building about 10 years ago. It's Teresa's empire, Callum's empire, to give him a bit of peace and quiet when he's editing all these videos and doing all the photography. We've got this fantastic new reception area, if you like. It got a bit childish in here and it had to have some motorbikes, RC30, RS250 added, and then actually the green wall had to have a green Fiat 500 put in front of it, didn't it? So we had some fun and games getting the Fiat 500 through the patio doors there. Anyway, welcome to the new HQ, and we'll give you an update later on in the month.